Hi, I'm Ben. This is Bike from the Brink, and I've just been looking at these carbs, and you wouldn't believe the tiniest little bit. Let's get on and have a look. Can you see the problem? Of course you can't. Can you see it now? No. Can you see it now? Look at that. Little bit there. Look at me. Try and focus on it. It's so small. So zoom out. This is what it should look like, and this is what it does look like. So that's part of the fuel enrichener, and when I spray some cleaner in, it shot out where I'd have thought I couldn't figure it out. Where's that going? So then I blew it through the airline, it blew the rest of the cleaner out, and the carb body's cracked here. So I'm going to attempt to metal weld it, JB weld or something like that, just because it is a tiny, it's only 3mm of a little bit maybe, and I've got something else I need to JB weld. When I think about it, the ice cracked with my hose pipe metal ring thing, so I'll do both of those and we'll see what happens. That didn't take too long. Cottage cheese, very nice. Let's zoom into the bit that matters. So I've spread it on a little bit thick. I'm hoping there's no air gaps in there. And I'll come back to it in the morning and carry on and see where it goes.